And taking your time often is not a good thing. When I hear somebody say I'm taking my time with my horse, I kind of cringe just a little bit, because often you're creating a problem like what I spoke about in the video that was just released over this past weekend. A horse is good until he's not. And by overly taking your time, not continuing with your horse's training, that's what creates that problem. Just like people, some horses learn faster than others, and some horses you have to do a lot of reinforcing to reinforce what you're asking them to do, what you're teaching your horse. Some horses are quick learners and they learn it the first time, whether it's something good or something bad. A lot of horses learn bad things just as quick as they learn good things. And I see a lot of people posting comments about, I'm taking my time with my horse. And at first glance, that sounds like a good thing. I'm not rushing my horse. I'm letting him take in things. I'm giving him the chance to learn. But in actuality, that can be just as bad as training too fast, too hard. If you are pushing your horse too much, too fast, he's not going to be able to learn what you're trying to teach him. But on the other side of that is, if you're not challenging your horse, his mind is not going to be in a place where it's accepting what's being taught to him. And taking your time often is not a good thing. When I hear somebody say I'm taking my time with my horse, I kind of cringe just a little bit, because often you're creating a problem like what I spoke about in the video that was just released over this past weekend. A horse is good until he's not. And by overly taking your time, not continuing with your horse's training, that's what creates that problem. And a lot of people that are taking their time with their horse will reach a point and they can't get their horse past that point. And that's because they have not kept the horse's mind progressed in training while the horse's mind was in the right place for that. When you're riding your horse, whether you're schooling the horse, whatever you might be schooling for, or you're out trail riding on your horse is going to have a different frame of mind. You're schooling, his mind is going to be more accepting to schooling. You're out trail riding, your horse's mind is going to be more relaxed and not in a situation, not in a place to really accept the learning. He's going to feel it, he's going to see it, but it's really not going to learn it. And a lot of times when you are taking your time with your horse's training, you're somewhere in the middle. You're not really giving the horse a chance to relax, like trail riding, but you're not really feeding him the information that he needs to keep progressing. So if you are training your own horse, taking your time, rethink that situation. Often that causes many problems. So this is Hank. I've done quite a few videos of him, but I'm going to put a link up here to some other blog posts that I've done, video, whatever, that I've done kind of similar, kind of along the lines of training theory. So you can watch some videos over other training theories. It's really important that you're not just performing the task, the physical task, you have the horse in the right mental place. Until next time, thank you for watching.